Hi, well here we have my newly fettled Mamod flatbase 46, 47 at a guess, solid flywheel, solid single piece cylinder, and obviously this lovely cast mount. It's very nice. This was the rustiest engine I've restored. The base plate was painted in some thick black stuff, and underneath it was just rust. So I really struggled to get the rust off that, and in fact you can see there's some imperfections in the paint as a result. Also the boiler band was unbelievably corroded, and I actually had to grind that, but it seems to have come out okay. The rest of it seems to be in reasonable condition. There was a lot of rust on things like the conrod, the pin here. So I don't know if I put it all back together with enough play. I think it's all okay. Oh, so close. Well, that is smooth, isn't it? So it's a beautiful machine. I'm glad I spent the time on repairing it. The wonderful transfer from Mooseman on the unofficial Mamod forum. Well worth £2, nothing. I probably used more electricity than that editing this video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. It's a lovely engine. I'm glad that the repair worked. Stuart was first with the advice on installing a washer, an O-ring. Thank you very much, Stuart. And back into the cupboard with you. And now to steam something else, I think. Goodbye, viewers.